Good morning, everyone. I'm Greg Phillips, an agronomist and former golf course superintendent with nearly 4 decades of turfgrass management experience. Today, I want to answer a question I hear quite frequently. Can a robot lawnmower actually replace a traditional lawnmower? Now, a few years ago, I probably would have answered that question a little differently than today. I've spent several years testing robotic lawn mowers from numerous manufacturers on several different properties. I've used them on cool season lawns, warm season lawns, flat lawns, steep lawns, heavy landscape lawns, and everything in between. And I can honestly tell you that robot lawn mowers have come a very long way. They're evolved from something that people thought was simply a neat technology into practical lawn care that can actually improve the quality of a lawn while saving you an incredible amount of time. Now, before we get started, I'd like to thank ECOVACS for sponsoring today's video and giving me the opportunity to discuss robot lawn mowing technology with you. As many of you know, I don't simply review products. My background is in agronomy, turfgrass management, and nearly 4 decades of doing it. I've spent years as a golf course superintendent, and that's how I evaluate these mowers and the quality they give you to your lawn. I'm looking at quality of cut, looking at turf health, long term performance. And today I want to explain why robot lawnmowers have become one of the biggest advancements I have seen in residential lawn care. The first and most obvious benefit everyone thinks about, you don't have to mow your yard anymore. Think about how many hours the average homeowner spends mowing every year. Every weekend, sometimes twice a week during the spring, loading fuel, dealing with those gas spouts that drive me crazy. Seems like everyone is different, and I spill more gas than if I just would have had a standard hose like it was years ago. Checking and changing the oil, pulling the mower out, cleaning afterwards, and putting everything away. Now imagine your lawn simply stays mowed. You walk outside and it's already finished week after week. That's the first benefit people notice. And honestly, it's not the benefit that impresses me the most. Biggest advantage of what robot lawn mowing does for turf itself. One of the biggest reasons golf courses have such a beautiful turf is mowing frequency. And this is a big deal. They don't wait until the grass gets tall. They're mowing constantly. University research has shown that frequent mowing encourages tillering. Now, that's maybe a term homeowners are not familiar with. Tillering simply means the grass plant produces more shoots. Instead of one plant, you begin developing multiple shoots of the same crown. Over time, your turf becomes denser, thicker, more uniform, and much better competing against weeds. One of the reasons robotic lawn mowers are so effective is that they're mowing every single day or every other day instead of once each week. The mower is removing only a very small amount of leaf tissue during each mowing event. That means less stress on the plant and healthier turf over time. Now let's talk about cut quality. Now, this is where golf course background really comes into play. On golf courses, we use reel mowers. A reel mower cuts the grass like a pair of scissors. It's an extremely clean cut. Traditional lawn mowers work different. They use a high speed blade swinging horizontally. When that blade is sharp, it cuts pretty well. But if the blade becomes dull or the engine bogs down because the grass is too tall, slowing that blade down, the mower begins tearing the leaf tissue instead of cutting it clean. That's where you often see white or brown tips after mowing. Those damaged leaf tips are dead tissue. Robot lawnmowers use razor sharp blades. Because they're cutting such a tiny amount of grass each day, those blades make an exceptionally clean cut. To me, the quality reminds me much of a real mower than a traditional rotary lawnmower. Now, why does that matter? For several reasons. First, cleaner cut reduces moisture loss. The grass plant loses water through that damaged tissue. Less injury means less water loss. Second, cleaner cut also heals faster. Anytime you injure a plant, you create an opportunity for pathogens, disease to enter that leaf tissue. A cleaner cut reduces that opportunity, so less fungus on your lawn. Third, color. This surprises many homeowners. They'll look at robotic lawnmowers and say, that lawn just looks greener. It isn't always because the grass is healthier. It's because the mower isn't leaving millions of tiny little brown or white leaf tips on the lawn. When you remove those damaged tips, the entire lawn appears darker, cleaner, and much healthier. That's one of the first things I've noticed on every lawn where I've switched over to robot lawn mowing. And it's worthwhile talking about, how does the mower know where it goes? Last year, for example, ECOVACS had RTK technology in the ECOVACS 2500, which is what I use on my yard. And the one you just saw on the tall fescue ryegrass yard is actually a LiDAR system. They had that in the 3000. This year, ECOVACS in all of their mowers moved over to LiDAR. Now, let me briefly touch on what that means. RTK technology basically relies on satellites to communicate with not only the lawnmower itself, but a satellite base station that you have on your lawn. I have mine for this EcoVax 2500 up on the roof. However, in 2026, EcoVax evolved and has LiDAR technology throughout their entire line. The O1000, the A2000, and the A3000 all have LiDAR technology. Why is that a significant difference? And this is where you really need to consider this, because in the past, people have, robots have sort of been a novelty. But now they actually map your yard. Yes, they see where they are going. They use LiDAR technology to map the yard so they know everything going on. In fact, you can see here, it actually maps a lot of the neighborhood remarkably well using lasers to map exactly where it goes, not relying on any signal from satellites, base stations, or anything of the kind. It also allows it to see obstacles in your yard and makes it more effective in avoiding those obstacles. And I will say, just about all the lawnmowers that I have reviewed, in the neighborhood of 12 different manufacturers and nearly 20 different mowers, all of them have great avoidance systems. That's generally not an issue. But I did want to address these and how EcoVax and many other brands have evolved into LiDAR technology. And I can say it is an improvement over RTK technology. I haven't had trouble with the EcoVax systems with the RTK technology. However, with other lawnmower brands, I have indeed had some in situations where it's significant. I can't even map the whole yard. So that's something to keep in mind when you're looking at purchasing a robot lawnmower. The EcoVax models I'm currently using take this a step further. Through the EcoVax app, I can map individual zones across my entire property, assign specific mowing directions to each zone, and schedule each zone completely independently. In my front yard, where I'm going to call fescue and ryegrass lawn, I can assign one direction going north and south, while adjacent areas east to west, like I'm doing here. That creates a dramatic contrast between these areas and gives the lawn a professionally maintained appearance. You simply can't do that consistently with traditional robot lawnmowers unless you're willing to spend a whole lot of extra time each week. It'd be very hard to replicate the precision. Now let's talk about striping, because many of you love that on a golf course, right? One of the biggest advantages of robot lawn mowing is stripes stay fresh. Traditional mowing usually happens about once a week, but stripes look kind of fade within a day or two. Now, with robot lawnmowers, because you're mowing probably 2 to 3, many as 7 days a week, those stripes are then refreshed each time you mow. The result is a lawn that always looks freshly mowed. Now, not every grass species stripes as well. Perennial ryegrass, Kentucky bluegrass are probably the two best striping grasses for homeowners. Tall fescue can stripe rather nicely, and that's primarily what's in this yard. Warm season grasses like Bermuda grass, zoysia grass, centipede generally don't stripe as dramatically because their habits don't have those characteristics. Regardless of grass species, mowing more frequently always improves the overall appearance of the lawn. Another advantage is noise. If you've ever mowed on a Saturday morning with a gas-powered mower, you're probably wondered if you're disturbing the neighbors. Gas mowers are loud. Riding lawn mowers are loud. Zero-turn mowers are loud. Robotic lawn mowers are surprisingly quiet. Don't even have the suppression of the noise around, so you can't hear it here, or at least you get an appreciation for it. That allows them to mow during times of the day which you wouldn't normally mow. One of those advantages is at night. Now, that might surprise people, but why you would want to mow at night? One reason is canopy temperature. During the summer, the turf canopy can become extremely hot during the afternoon. When temperatures drop during the evening and overnight hours, the turf is under significantly less stress. Because the robot lawnmower is removing only a very small amount of leaf tissue when it mows and in operating during those cooler times, those are huge advantages for overall turf quality. You're not out there in the middle of an afternoon removing a third of the leaf blade during the hottest part of the day. You're making very light mowing paths under much cooler conditions. That is better for overall turf health and summer survival. And because robot lawnmowers are so quiet, your neighbors won't even know it's happening, With the ECOVACS app, setting a nighttime mowing schedule takes about 30 seconds. When you pick the zone, you pick the hours, and the mower handles the rest. That kind of control timing is something traditional lawn mowing simply cannot give you. Now let's talk about apps and how you actually control the robot lawnmower. You download the app from the manufacturer and you can actually set your scheduling and monitor actually where the mower is going. You can see where it is at any given time. And sometimes, on a rare occasion, you will get stuck between a landscape bed. And those are little quirks that you can work out as you do. What I have noticed that over time, when you find these areas where the robot gets stuck, you simply make modifications like here, I put a few more rocks in here, and that raised it just a bit to where it wouldn't actually go down and get stuck quite nearly as much. You can also set your scheduling mowing height on these mowers. Believe it or not, the EcoVacs 3000 to 2000, you can actually use them to monitor the lawn. You can actually use the cameras. And if you have Wi Fi, anywhere you're at, or even on your cellular device at any time, you can actually use the cameras in the mower to see where it's mowing or drive it around the property at night to actually patrol the lawn. Photographs, also video, and on the A2000 and A3000, you can actually talk to someone through the mower through your cellular telephone. All you do is touch the call button on the app, and as you're approaching someone, you are trespassing on private property. Please leave. Which is actually pretty cool. And EcoVacs does offer that in their robot lawnmower line. Let's talk about slopes here for just a minute, because this is one of the questions I typically get. If you have a slope that is, EcoVacs are rated for 50% slopes. That is basically 1 foot of rise over 1 foot of run. One thing that I do, and this will help you quite a bit, is simply take a framing square from a carpenter square, for example. And what you'll do is you'll kind of stick it in the ground to where it's right at, from the surface to the top of that square needs to be 1 foot. And then the longer, thicker part is 2 feet on that square. If you have space underneath that, that is if you'll be just fine in getting EcoVacs robot lawnmower. For slopes greater than that, there are all-wheel drive models of robot lawnmowers that are out there on the market. And I can tell you, for instance, my son's lawn, pretty dangerous lawn, extreme slopes. That's where I test a lot of the robot lawnmowers as far as testing your slope capabilities. And he flipped his riding lawnmower last year on it. And obviously, luckily, it didn't get hurt. But these all-wheel drive units, I can tell you, they will handle any slope that you can have that you will have trouble walking up. Granted, that's going to depend on soil conditions and the overall moisture level of the turf, if it's really wet or anything of that nature. But I can tell you the all-wheel drive units handle just about any slope. In fact, some slopes where you have no choice but to weed eat those slopes because simply you would not push up riding. You wouldn't be able to drive or push a lawnmower over top of it. So all in all, in my professional opinion, been at this for a long time, can a robot lawnmower replace your traditional lawnmower in your yard? Absolutely. In my opinion, this is why I'm doing so many reviews and why I am so interested in the technology. I would say in probably in the next 5 to 8 years, you're probably not going to see a whole lot of standard lawnmowers on the market. It's just going to be robot lawnmowers because they're various different price points and they're starting to get better and better and better each year at their quality. And I can tell you one thing about EcoVacs. This is why I've been partnered with them quite a bit on many of these videos, informative videos for you, particularly looking at robot lawnmowers. Very good quality. I press the button, it goes off. I'll be candid. I am 56 years old. Person of a certain age, we don't like nickering and dickering around with technology. So, we just want it to work. And I can tell you the EcoVacs line is definitely one. Once you get it set up, which is not that hard, you press the button and off it goes. It's very good. And they have great customer service as well. And I want to thank EcoVacs for sponsoring this video and working with me both last year and this year on helping you make decisions on your robot lawnmower and elements of your lawn. For more lawn care advice, please subscribe to my channel, Home Lawn Care with Greg Phillips. I give practical advice on both warm grasses like my Bermuda grass lawn or cool season grasses like where we were at early in the video. I also have utility lawns as well, taking care of them and helping you. Practical experience for your lawn and get great lawn out of it. Thanks for watching.